Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Hyundai Accent Bluetooth. First, make sure your car is safely parked and the engine is running. Next, grab your mobile device and turn on its Bluetooth function. Then, navigate to the Setup menu on your Hyundai Accent's infotainment screen. This is the crucial first step to getting your phone paired and ready for hands-free communication and audio streaming. Once you are in the Setup menu, select Bluetooth from the available options. From there, you will want to choose Bluetooth connection and then tap Add New to initiate the pairing process. Your Hyundai Accent system will now enter a discoverable mode, actively searching for nearby devices. This makes it easy for your phone to find and connect to your car. Now, on your mobile device, look for your Hyundai Accent's name in the list of available Bluetooth devices and select it. A pairing code, usually a 4-digit or 6-digit number, will appear on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm that these codes match. Finally, grant permission for your car to access your contacts and call history for full functionality. After successfully pairing, a confirmation message will display on your Hyundai Accent screen, indicating that your device is connected. You are now ready to enjoy hands-free calling, stream your favorite music, and use other audio features wirelessly. This simple process enhances your driving experience, making it safer and more enjoyable with seamless connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.